Good morning, children. Let us continue exercise 9.5. Before starting exercise 9.5, first we will see which fraction is greater, which is smaller. It is related with the question, so I want to explain you first. Question is that which is greater. I am explaining by taking example. For example, which is greater? Now this fraction 7 by 8 and 3 by 8. These are the like fraction. Which fraction it is? Like fraction. So if fraction is in like fraction, then you will see the numerator of both the fraction. Okay. Both the denominator is same. So you will compare numerator of the fraction. 7 and 3. Which is greater? 7 is greater. So 7 by 8 is greater than 3 by 8. Understood? In the number B, again it is like fraction. 10 by 13, 11 by 13. So both the denominator is same. So it is like fraction. So again we will compare their denominator. In the denominator it is 10, it is 11. So which is greater? 11 is greater than 10. So 11 by 13 is greater than 10 by 13. Understood? So it was a like fraction. Now next we will see here unlike fraction. Here 9 and 11. Different denominators are there, but numerator is same. Understood? When the numerator is same and the denominator are different, so what you will do? Smaller fraction will be greater and greater fraction will be smaller if the denominator is same. So here 5 by 9 will be greater than 5 by 11 in number C. When it happens? When the numerator is same. Number D is also here both the numerator is same. 8, here 11 and 13. So smaller will be greater and greater will be smaller. That means 8 by 11 is greater than 8 by 13. Understood? Now next we will see if the unlike fraction are there, then later I will explain you. It will be in your exercise also. So let us start exercise 9.1, 9.5. Then different types of question we will solve and I will explain you clearly. Okay. Number 1 here, MCQ. Question number 1 is, now in this question, which of the following fraction is the greatest of all? So first we will find out the LCM of the given denominator. 7, 21, 14 and 21. Here 14 is divisible by 2, so we will take 2. Other number we will write as it is. Now next 3, 21 is divisible by 3. 7 as it is you will write. 3 7 is 21 and again 3 7 is 21. Then we will take 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 1 is 7. So 2 into 3 into 7. 2 3 is 6. 6 7 is 42. Now first we will make all the denominator will be same. That means 42 we will make it first. 3 by 7. 7. Now which number we will multiply to get 42? 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. 7 3 is 21. 7 4 is 28. 7 5 is 35. 7 6 is 42. So we will multiply it by 6. Same number you will write in the numerator also. Now 3 6 is 18. 7 6 is 42. Now we get the LCM 42 here. Now next number is 8 by 21. Again we will find out which number we will multiply in the denominator to get 42. So when we will multiply 21 into 2, we will get 42. Same number you will multiply in the numerator also. 8 2 is 16. 2 1 is 2. 2 2 is 4. Now next is 9 by 14. Now when we will multiply it, 14 1 is 14, 14 2 is 28, 14 3 is 42. So same number you will multiply in the Denominator 9 3 ja 27 and 14 3 ja 42. Now next number is 16 by 21. Here again 21 we will multiply 21 by 2, we will get 42. So same number we will multiply in the numerator also. 16 2 ja 28. Now see, all the denominator are same. Now it becomes a like fraction. Now you will see the numerator. Here 18, 16, 27, 28. So this number is the greater number. Okay, this number is the greater number. So which number it is? 16 by 21. That means our option D is the correct. So you will put tick mark in D. It was A, B, C and D. So correct answer is D. So how to make this? First we will find out the LCM of all these numbers, which is in denominator. We get 42. First we will make it like fraction. All the denominators are 42. Then we will compare the numerator in all the numbers. Which is greater, that fraction will be greater. Understood? So we have completed MCQ question number 1. Now next is 2. In number 2, which is smaller? 10 by 18, 3 by 5, 15 by 24 and 7 by 10. So again all are different number. All the denominators are different. So first we will find out the LCM of these numbers. 18, 5, 24 and 10. Here it is even, it is even, it is even. So we will take 2. 2 9 is 18, 5 as it is you will write, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10. Then again it is divisible by 2, this 12, 2 6 is 12. Again it is divisible by 2, this 6, 2 3 is 6. Now 9 and 3 is divisible by 3, so we will take 3 3 is 9, 5 as it is you will write, 3 1 is 3, then 5. Again this is divisible by 3. Now last digit is 5. Understood? So LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 3 3 is 9 and 5. 8 9 is 72 into 5. 5 2 is 10, 0, 1 carry, 5 7 is 35, 35 by 1, 36, 360. Now here 10 by 18. Now which number we will multiply to get 360? 18 1 is 18, 18 2 is 36. So when we will multiply it by 20, we will get 360. So same number you will multiply in the numerator also. 20 10 is 200. Clear? Now next number is 3 by 5. So which number you will multiply to get 360? So for finding this number we can divide this 360 by 5. 5 7 is 35. 5 2 is 10. So when we will multiply this 72 with 5, we will get 360. Same number you will multiply in the numerator. 3 2 is 6, 3 7 is 21. Clear? Now next is 15 by 24. So again we will find out the 360. Which number we will multiply to get 360? So for finding this number we can divide this number 360 by 24. 24 to the 48. So one time you can take. Okay. Now 5 times 120. So you will take 15. Same number you will multiply in the denominator. Then 15 into 15 is 225. Next number is 7 by 10. Now 10 is multiplied by, when you will multiply it by 36, you will get 360. So same number you will write in the numerator and multiply it. 7 6 is 42, 2, 4 carry, 7 6 is 21, 21 plus 4 is 25. Now we have to find out which is smaller. Now see, all the denominator are same. So which is smaller? 200, 216, 225, 252. It is the numerator. So this number is the smaller number. So this fraction will be smaller. So correct answer is 10 by 18. Understood? So you will put tick mark in A. Clear? Now next question is question number 3. In number 3, the equivalent fraction of 12 by 15 with denominator 10. 12 by 15 is given, whose denominator will be 10. So first we will find out the original fraction when we will divide it by 3. Okay, so what we will get? 3 4 ja 12 and 3 5 ja 15. We will get 4 by 5. This is the original fraction. So when we will multiply this number by 2, then we will get the denominator 10. Okay, 5 2 ja 10. So same number you will multiply in the numerator also. So 4 2 ja 8. So your correct answer is 8 by 10. That is your option number B. Okay. First we will find out the original fraction. Because it is divisible, 12 and 15 is divisible by 3. So we get the 4 by 5. And what is the question? Denominator will be 10. So when we will multiply this 5 by 10, we will by 2, we will get 10. So 5 2 ja 10. Same number you will multiply in the numerator. 4 2 ja 8. So D is the correct answer. Understood? Now next question is question number 2. In question number 2, encircle the greater fraction in each of the following pairs. Number 1 is 2 by 5, 4 by 5. Now here it is like fraction. So whose denominator is greater, that will be greater. So 4 by 5 is the greater. Understood? This is the greater number. Now in 2, 7 by 11 and 3 by 11. Again it is like fraction. So 7 is the greater number. So this fraction will be greater. In number 3, 12 by 13, 11 by 13. Both are like fraction. So greater numerator will be greater. So 12 by 13 is greater. In number 4, 11 by 14 and 11 by 17. Here both the numerator is same. So when the numerator is same, which fraction is having less denominator, that will be greater, and greater number will be smaller. So 11 by 14 is greater because this denominator is smaller. Understood? Now next is 5, 19 by 21 and 19 by 35. Again same numerator. So this number is greater. Smaller denominator will be greater fraction. Understood? Now in number 6, 7 by 8 and 5 by 8. Here same denominator. So numerator will be greater. That fraction will be greater. So 7 by 8 is greater. So we have completed question number 2. Understood? Next class we will solve 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Thank you.